sometimes to check how much space each folder is taking on your computer, you can simply hover your mouse over it or right click on it and go to properties, and over here you're gonna see the amount of space that it's taking on your computer. So that's size on disk, and on the top there's the total size for the folder. 55 gigs, that's quite a lot. We don't want that, so let's try to reduce it. So if I right click on the folder and go to free up space, it's going to look into the files that I have temporarily stored on my computer, and it's going to make available onto the cloud only again. So if I check now, as you can see, the size has reduced to 24 gigs. So if we check again the folder, it's going to give us a total size of 24 gigs, and that's because the current files are syncing. So once their syncing is complete, they're going to be removed from your computer, and now they're going to be stored into the cloud only. If we check this other folder here, for example, as the status says cloud only, so if we right click on it, properties, I'm going to see the size on disk is 0, so it's only a reference. So to use any of the files inside here, I would have to download first to my computer, and then they will be available for me to use. And if you want to make a file available on your computer, you can select the file, right click, and make always keep on this device. So that's gonna make change the status to syncing, so it's now on a queue, and it's once the queue is finished, you'll make the file always available on your device.